So today we'll discuss how to log into the portal. Okay. So as a StepUp learn, we started our portal. So portal पे कैसे log in करना है, how to register to specific course and how to enroll to course, that we'll discuss today in short. Okay. So first of all, you need to go with the StepUp Learn website. Whatever the course we design, it's already available on the StepUp Learn application. So the first, once you search for the StepUp Learn, so StepUp Learn आपको first search करना है. Once the StepUp Learn is searched, you need to click for the first one. That is nothing but StepUp Learn based IT Institute in Pune. So after clicking on this, our web application will open. So this is our web application जहाँ पे आपको courses, different courses भी दिखेंगे कि what are the courses that we are taking. What about the StepUp Learn? And StepUp Learn क्या करता है? StepUp Learn के अंदर कौन से courses है? Which are the trainers available? All the details, contact details and everyone. But actually जो भी course आप register करने वाले हो, उस course हमने nowadays we started that course on the portal site. So portal पे login कैसे करना है? So on this web application there is a right hand side में आपको एक बटन दिखेगा login to portal. So login to portal. So once you click on this login to portal, you will directly redirect to StepUp Learn courses portal. So this is our actual portal जहाँ पे आपको courses enroll करनी है. So right now there are two courses are shown. The first one is a Python automation testing. Second one is a Azure data engineer. तो आप इसके डिटेल्स में भी जा सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम गोइंग इनसाइड द एज्योर डेटा इंजीनियरिंग कोर्स. सो फॉर दिस कोर्स द डेमो सेशन इज देयर. यू कैन रीडायरेक्ट टू दैट डेमो सेशन. जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस बटन, सो यू विल रीडायरेक्ट टू डेमो सेशंस. द एक्चुअल पिक्चर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस हियर कि आपको एनरोल कैसे करना है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, once you are fine with this course, you need to click on the enroll now button. So for candidate, for any working candidates or for this course candidate, you have the two options. The first one is a email option and then the second one is a mobile number option. You can choose any. ठीक है. So generally we prefer कि अगर आप email access से जा रहे हो तो we are preferring कि यही email address throughout the course we are going to utilize, because यहाँ पे once you enter your email address, once you enter your mobile number, वही throughout the course आपको utilize करना है, वही throughout the course आपको use करना है. So I am entering here the email address, suppose vy baviskar 94@gmail.com. So once you enter this email, you have the another option sign in button. So login करने से पहले बोल रहा हूँ कि you will get one sign in button. उस पे बस आपको simply click करना है. And after this one, on your email address, you will get one email through the StepUp Learn name. So उस email address पे आपको एक OTP आएगा, 4-digit OTP that you need to verify here. So suppose I got that OTP and I am entering this OTP here and then the verify OTP. अगर OTP नहीं आया तो you have the another option resend OTP. If you are not getting OTP, so resend OTP पे भी आप क्लिक कर सकते हो. And if you got this OTP, then you need to verify the OTP. So once it is verified, it will ask for your name. Suppose I am entering, the first name is a Ram. And mobile number. Suppose whatever the mobile number you have, that mobile number also you can utilize. Okay. So your name you need to enter. So this name should be the full name. Okay. So surname also you need to consider. I am considering Ram Patil. And then the mobile number. So whatever the mobile number you have, that you need to enter. So for dummy purpose, I am entering my mobile number 9420506697. So once it is enter, you will find the next button. Okay, so just entering, I think this number is already registered. I'm just entering 96. So it is going to this one. So you will get this screen. Sign up now and explore. The name of whatever the registration you do, that name, and there is a next button, launch. So once you click on the launch button, you will goes to that course. See, you will get your personalized desktop, because this personalized desktop is important. On that desktop you will find whole course. So suppose inside this one I have gone through this my personalized desktop. So इस डेस्कटॉप पे आपको राइट हैंड साइड में आपका इमेज दिखेगा, आपका नेम, वॉट एवर द कोर्सेस यू रजिस्टर, दैट कोर्सेस आर देयर. So right now there is no course that you have registered. So first of all you need to click on the courses. So here you will see all the courses that you have registered, and I am going for browse the course. So browse course करने के बाद मेरे पास दो ऑप्शन आ रहे जो currently going on courses है. The first one is a Python automation, it is currently going on. The second one is a Azure Data Engineer. इसमें से जो आप इंटरेस्टेड हो वो कोर्स पे आप एनरोल कर सकते हो. नाउ यू हैव क्रिएटेड योर ओन पोर्टल और वहां पे जाके आप कोर्स को रजिस्टर कर सकते हो. सपोज आई एम गोइंग विद द पाइथन ऑटोमेशन टेस्टिंग. तो यहाँ पे आपके पास यूट्यूब वीडियो भी है जो ऑलरेडी बैचेस के लिए कंडक्ट किए गए डेमो लेक्चर्स है. सिलेबस आल्सो यू कैन सी, दिस इज द सिलेबस फॉर दिस कोर्स. अगेन you have the another option. So we are providing the certification also. So certification option is there. Assignment, if you are getting any assignment, so assignment also there. Live class as per the schedule, pre-recorded recordings, and then there are webinars. So after this one you need to click on enroll now button. So once you click on this enroll now button, you will redirect to the request to this course. So the request is sent. So in right hand side you will get one pop-up कि जहां पे admin को आपका request जाएगा. So from backend admin team will connect with you for accessing this course. Yeah. So this is for the how to take the admission, how to enroll to the course, and if you have any doubt regarding the enrollment, so we have our contact number 9584561057. So Somnath sir also there. Again the admin team also there. So they will connect with you how to register and how to go with the course. Okay, fine. Okay, thanks.